This video here is all about GlucoSteady drops. If you're looking up GlucoSteady drops reviews and complaints, something having to do with reversing type 2 diabetes, this is something that has scam marketing happening. I'm not saying the product is a scam, but what I am telling you is that GlucoSteady drops has some marketing happening out there, affiliates, people misusing the product, whatever, that is not telling you the whole truth. And so let's watch this video here. I'm going to talk all about it.
Why on earth is no one talking about this? Researchers have discovered a new method that is reversing diabetes, known as the reversal ritual. It activates the same metabolic pathway as GLP-1, but without injections and without side effects.
This guy's AI.
Check it out before they take it down.
60 Minutes never published anything about this. Sanjay Gupta has nothing to do with it.
Tonight, we investigate how Halle Berry, Tom Hanks, Randy Jackson, and several other celebrities are reversing type 2 diabetes using a new method known as the reversal ritual. A simple recipe that costs less than $1 and that, according to experts, activates the same GLP-1 mechanism triggered by Ozempic and Mounjaro. But without injections, without side effects, and up to 3 times more potent when prepared correctly. Here's what really shocked the investigators. People following this morning ritual are reversing their type 2 and getting out of the danger zone before Christmas. No restrictive diets, no exercise, just by performing this remarkably simple routine. Tonight, we're going to uncover the truth behind this.
So the reason why it looks like Dr. Sanjay Gupta is talking on 60 Minutes about this is because the scammers are using deepfake AI technology to make his lips move and to make it sound like he's saying the words you're hearing, but he never talked about this. No doctors, hospitals, universities, or famous people in the US have ever endorsed this product. GlucoSteady reviews, if you're looking for GlucoSteady for diabetes, I could not find any credible information suggesting this has miracle properties like it's going to be claimed here. Maybe a diabetes parasite is what they're going to claim and all that sort of stuff. They're going to claim different universities. Dr. Phil McGraw, Dr. Mehmet Oz had something to do with this. And they're going to show completely AI-generated Halle Berry and Tom Hanks and interview clips with Randy Jackson, maybe Patti LaBelle. And it's all garbage. It's all fake, fraudulent, whatever. And again, I'm separating the scam marketing here. Could be an affiliate, could be someone misusing the product, whatever. There's no credible evidence the company is running this marketing. That this looks like a blood sugar support product, a standard product that has no miracle properties that you probably will not benefit from if you order it. And instead, go see a doctor. Please always go see a doctor. They're going to claim it has miracle properties. It does not.
We'll test the method live with Dr. Phil, the doctor famous for fighting Big Pharma, who went viral after demonstrating the full recipe in a short video. But that's not all. Halle Berry claims she used this exact same trick to completely free herself from insulin and medications. And at the end of the show, we will reveal the full step-by-step recipe that these celebrities follow. To understand how such impressive results are possible, check out this exclusive video Halle Berry sent.
I think they eventually show Dr. Robert Lustig on 60 Minutes. And if they don't, they don't. But he has nothing to do with this either.
This reversal ritual is amazing. In just 15 days, my blood sugar dropped from 200 to 110.
So they're about to show a completely AI-generated Halle Berry. That's a deep fake right there that they just showed. They're going to show a completely AI-generated Halle Berry in a completely fake kitchen. Watch this. And there's no recipe. The recipe is a hook, a promise, a hook to get you to watch the entire video. There's never going to be a recipe. That's a lie.
And by the end of 3 months, I was completely off insulin and my A1C was back to normal. And no, it wasn't those Ozempic pens everyone is thinking about. It was all thanks to this morning ritual I made every single morning. These test results you see on the screen came from this natural method, exactly like Dr. Phil taught me. I just wanted to say thank you.
All right, and they talk about Dr. Phil, and basically that's all I need to show you. I don't really need to keep talking about this because they're going to show Tom Hanks and Randy Jackson, a bunch of other stuff, and they're going to claim Dr. Phil, Dr. Oz have something to do with this. GlucoSteady drops, reviews and complaints. If you're seeing GlucoSteady represented in this manner, it's a scam. I'm not saying the product is a scam. I'm saying the marketing is a scam. And it'll claim there's going to be a money-back guarantee. Don't worry, but that's a scam going through a scam funnel. They're not going to honor that. The scammers, through their scam funnel, not an official channel, are going to not honor that. And the product itself does not have miracle properties no matter where you buy it. It's not FDA approved, despite what they claim on the website I was looking at. And anything you see about GlucoSteady, I hope that you know that whenever you see a product like this, begins with the word gluco or glyco or sugar as like the prefix. There are so many products with one of those prefixes right now claiming with scam marketing that they can reverse type 2 diabetes. No credible evidence the company's running that marketing, but there is a whole lot of marketing coming from someone and it's causing purchases. It's leading to purchases. So if you want to reverse type 2 diabetes or like try to help yourself with your own health care, go see a doctor. Don't go and buy something strange online through a scam funnel. I hope that's pretty clear. Glucose Steady drops reviews and complaints. I hope that my videos been able to help. Like, comment, subscribe. There's a join button down below. Thank you for watching.